Hi, I'm Dr. Pete Hummel. I'm a lecturer in archaeomaterials at the University of Liverpool, and I'm here to welcome you to the next 4 hours of hotspot content as part of the 2021 Experimental Archaeology Conference. Here at the University of Liverpool, we're delighted to be hosting this material and to share with you some of the experimental research that's been going on by our students and staff and by colleagues around the world. There'll also be some opportunities for you to learn about our department and the things that we do as well. We'd like to thank the organisers of the conference, who have been fantastic, and also to remind you that next year, in spring 2022, we'll be hosting at Liverpool the East's Student Conference, so there's something to look forward to next year as well.
Welcome to the Department of Archaeology, Classics and Egyptology at the University of Liverpool, one of the first departments in Britain deliberately designed to bring together staff and students studying archaeology, ancient history and the languages of Greece, Rome and Egypt.
Just as Liverpool faces outward, so too does the work of our department.
Our expert staff teach from direct research experience in subjects running from the origins of humanity to the interlinked societies of Egypt, Greece and Rome. Our work ranges from the Atlantic coast of Europe to southern Africa and the shores of the Pacific.
We all study the past in different ways, but we share a collective fascination for the study of human engagement with the world we inhabit.
A desire to understand the ways in which societies see and structure themselves.
And how the heritage of past societies has an impact upon life in the present day.
In Liverpool, we offer something really exciting to our students: the opportunity to find your own approach to the past.
In lectures, seminars and tutorials, you will learn about the way humans have faced the grand challenges of existence, as individuals and as communities.
You will be given the chance to learn new languages, enabling you to study the primary sources for yourself. From legal letters and epic poems to statements of power carved onto temples and tombs, you will learn how fragmentary voices combine to add life to our understanding of the past and continue to resonate in the present.
By working with artefacts from our museums, you'll become familiar with the material culture of the ancient world, but also learn about how it came to be here in Liverpool, and what the open discussion of the history of collections like ours means for their future.
In our laboratories, you can learn how to study the ancient environments, how to record and interpret human and animal bones, and learn how to use scientific techniques, all to find out more about the past.
The skills you develop at Liverpool will not only set you on the pathway to a career in the heritage sector, but will also enable you to appreciate critically how human societies function, to value diversity, and perhaps to inspire you to share your knowledge with others.
Casterhenllys, an Iron Age fortified village site in southwest Wales, has been the focus of archaeological research since 1982. And experimental research has been a central part of our activity, particularly with regard to the study of settlement structures. The recreation of ancient timber buildings was one of the earliest trends in experimental archaeology, and our project began as part of that trend. But while most studies chose to focus on short-term acts of construction and destruction, the birth and death of these houses, we wanted to look at how they lived, how they were lived in, and how their biography developed over decades of use. Our first experimental roundhouses went up in the 1980s, on the exact footprint of the prehistoric structures we had excavated on the site. And since then, with the support of the site management team of the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park and the local community, we've recorded how the houses weather, what the maintenance needs are in terms of thatching, timber uprights, floors and hearths, and what kinds of archaeological signatures they leave behind. In 2017, we began work on the replacement of two of the houses, not only recording their structures and excavating their sites before the new houses were built, but working with the park to adapt the design of the structures on the basis of our research. This new phase of experimental structures will not only test our updated designs, beginning a new cycle of research into these remarkable wooden structures, but they'll also continue to inspire the imaginations of public visitors to the site for decades to come. Working with the Dyfed Archaeological Trust, Liverpool staff and students, together with local volunteers, we've revealed how some patterns of use and maintenance of the buildings have created archaeological signatures extremely similar to those excavated in real prehistoric houses. Whilst the discoveries during the excavation of large amounts of plastic litter left by schools and other visitors highlights yet further ways in which we should change our lifestyles. We hope that the Casterhenllys experiments will get people thinking about their local past and the way in which we, as archaeologists, use experimental archaeology to find out more about the realities of life in prehistory and about our lives today.